Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Wireless PowerShare or reverse wireless charging feature on the Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra. This handy feature lets you wirelessly charge other compatible devices directly from your S25. Let's get started. First, access the Quick Settings menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Expand the Quick Toggle section. Look for Wireless PowerShare. If you don't see it, tap the pencil icon and then Edit. Now find Wireless PowerShare among the available buttons. Touch and hold the button, then drag it to the active area at the top. Tap Done twice to save your changes. Now to charge another device wirelessly, open the Quick Settings menu again and tap Wireless PowerShare. You will see a screen indicating that Wireless PowerShare is active and ready to charge, along with some brief instructions. To charge a compatible smartphone, smartwatch, or even your Galaxy Buds, simply place the device on the back of your S25. Here I have an iPhone 16. Let us place it on the S25. As you can see, it starts charging wirelessly, regardless of the orientation. This even works if your Galaxy S25 has a case on it. I am currently using a Spigen case and it charges just fine. That's it for this video on how to use your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra as a wireless charger for other compatible devices. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks videos. Let me know in the comments what devices you have charged with the Wireless PowerShare.